I used to struggle with making kakiage tempura that turns out soggy or fell apart, but since I found this recipe using Kewpie Mayo, it turns out crispy and so perfect. And you don't need to spend much time in the kitchen. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. Peel the carrot and thinly slice it using a mandarin. Stack a few slices at a time and cut them into julienne strips. For the onion, we are going to use just half. Cut off the root end, then slice thinly with a mandarin. Place both carrot and the onion in a bowl and lightly dust them with all-purpose flour. This helps the butter sticks better. In another mixing bowl, add mayonnaise and cold water. Whisk until smooth. Sift in the all-purpose flour, then gently mix with chopsticks until just combined. It's totally fine if a few flour pockets remaining. Do not overmix. Try not to develop the gluten to make a crispy kakiage. We are going to fry the kakiage in 2 batches. So place the half of the prepared vegetables into a small bowl and mix in half of the tempura batter. It might look loosely mixed, but that's exactly what gives it the nice perfect crispiness. Heat your oil up to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. To check if it's ready, drop a bit of butter into the oil and it should float and sizzle immediately. Carefully add the tempura mix into the hot oil, 1 chopstick full. You can always use your spoons to drop the tempura butter. Don't touch it until the edges are set. Once the outside is lightly golden, gently flip it over. And to make it extra crispy, poke the center of the tempura with the chopsticks to create a small hole. So this helps the oil go through the center and cook it evenly, so there are no soggy parts. It takes a few minutes per one side. Cook until the onion starts to brown and everything turns beautifully golden. The natural sweetness of the onion really shines through. Repeat the process with the second batch. And just like that, your crispy kakiage is done. It's so crunchy and Alex is dying to have a bite. But I'm so sorry, but no tempura for cats. This kakiage is perfect on its own. Serve with salt or tempura dipping sauce, but it's also delicious over chilled soba noodles, especially in the middle of the summer. You can swap out the carrot and onion for the firm, low moisture vegetables like burdock root or sweet potatoes, whatever you have on hand. And if you want to make it nicer, you can definitely add the leftover proteins like ham, bacon, and shrimp. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!